Waistlines have been expanding in Malaysia for decades, and the country's love of rich food and sweet treats is leading to an obesity crisis. Almost half the country is now deemed overweight or obese. New figures show that the number of people with unhealthy weight levels has been rising dramatically in the last 20 years. Malaysians do know their diet isn't perfect.
I try to take more salad and vegetables, and I try to make my own juice, which is I think good for health,
I'm very careful what I eat, but I'm also eating too much. Lack of exercise, and exercise is extremely important.
In 1996, just 4.4% of Malaysia's population was classed as obese. 10 years later, that had skyrocketed to 14%. Now the figure is running at almost 18%, which means more than 5 million Malaysians. The number of overweight people is also at record levels, at 30%.
I think the solution must be educating the young people now. For example, in primary school children, if we educate the 10 years old, 11 years old now, they will become adults later on, 20 years later, they will become healthier adults, less obesity, less overweight, and healthier Malaysians.
And poor weight control comes with well-known associated problems. Doctors say almost half the country has high cholesterol and a fifth was suffering from diabetes. Obesity is a problem that many developed nations face, and with the availability of fast food and, in Malaysia's case, a rich array of traditional dishes, the government have an uphill struggle in trying to persuade the public it's about watching what you eat and the amount that you eat that will lead to a healthier lifestyle. Sohail, Rahman, Al Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.